Hello, lovely parents. Today I wanna talk with you about something that I was thinking this morning. And it's about the fact that we are a generation of parents that loves to talk, right? Maybe because our parents didn't do enough with us. That's why we try at least to talk with them. And it's okay. No, it's okay. No, actually, it's wonderful to be able to talk with them, to have the time, to take the chance to talk with them. The problem is that we make sometimes, usually, unfortunately, a big mistake. And it's about a long lecture. We waste a lot of energy, a lot of time talking and repeat again and again the same things. And sometimes we do because they are not paying attention to us. They are not listening to us. And we think, in a wrong way, that it could be the best thing to do in order to they do what we really want. And you know what? They already know what you want. They already know what they have or they must to do. But the point is that they don't want to do it. So, what can we do? Instead of stay in that point of nagging, long lecturing, sometimes yelling, no? But stay away from lecture. That's all. To give them the opportunity to talk, to give them the opportunity to answer. And you only pay attention, you only make purpose listening, an active listening. So, stay away from lecturing, long lecturing especially. I am not saying with that we don't have to add anything when we see that they are fighting between siblings, they are hurting another one, they are doing something awful, something that is really important to stop. No, in that case, it's different. But you know what I mean. In that situation, that it's impossible. So I don't know why, you don't know why, they don't want to listen to you. Okay, don't waste your time. Just stay away and maybe put the focus in positive behavior, in positive wins, in little beautiful step. Okay? What do you think about that? Let me know below in comments.